Okay, so YouTube cut me off while I was reading the story last time, and so I appreciate you bearing with me as I learn how to use technology to best teach you. As we were talking about, here we have the armoire. It's kind of like a closet, but it's not built into the wall. It is a piece of furniture that stands outside of the wall, and you can move it around. And then, junto al armario hay un paraguero. En él ponemos los paraguas que usamos los días de lluvia. And if you're in 5th grade, you know that lluvia means rain. So, you use the paraguas when it rains, and you put the paraguas in the paraguero. You put the umbrellas in the umbrella stand. All right. Una mesita sostiene el teléfono. This little table supports the phone. Now, this is where you can tell that this book is kind of old because the author gets very excited about how you can use a telephone. El teléfono es uno de los aparatos más útiles de la casa. The phone is one of the most useful appliances in the house. Con él podemos comunicarnos con todas las personas sin tener que salir a la calle. You don't even have to leave your house to talk to somebody. Basta con marcar unos números para ponerlos al habla con la persona deseada. You can call whoever you want. You can talk to whoever you want just by pushing some numbers. And over here, this is also showing that it's dated because of what it says. Vemos ahora la cocina, una serie de bonitos armarios y aparatos modernos facilitan el trabajo a mamá. So, all of these things in the kitchen, they make life easier for mom. Not dad, not the kids, mom. And if you notice, we said, vamos ahora a la cocina. Let's go to the cocina now. We are in my cocina. Estamos en mi cocina. Right now, we are in my kitchen. También Lola, nuestra asistente, está muy alegre. Our maid, Lola, is very happy. Los aparatos modernos son útiles, prácticos y ayudan a ahorrar tiempo y trabajo. You can save time and work with all of these modern appliances in the kitchen. Aquí está el fregadero con un grifo para el agua fría y caliente. So here we have the sink with hot and cold water. En él se lavan platos, cubiertos, vasos y todos los utensilios que se usan para hacer y servir la comida. So you can wash all your dishes and everything used to serve food. Fijo a la pared que hay un calentador de agua. Se utiliza para calentar el agua para la cocina y los cuartos de baño. Okay, so you use this thing, I guess, to heat water. Water heater. It heats the water for the kitchen and the bathrooms. Ours is usually in a closet or in a garage. En la cocina es necesaria la campana de humos, vaos y vapores. Es un aparato importante y útil en las modernas cocinas. Las cocinas suelen tener 3 o 4 fuegos y un horno donde se preparan los asados. So, here we have an oven, horno, and then 4 fuegos. Fuegos means like it means fire, but we talk about it meaning the burners of the stove. La lavadora es muy usada por Lola para lavar la ropa. So you wash, the washer is very useful for Lola to do everybody's laundry. Hopefully, maybe some of you have someone that does your laundry for you other than your parents or yourself, but that would be nice. I wish I had a friend like Lola. Con ella puede lavarse sin apenas esfuerzo y en poco tiempo toda la ropa que se mancha a diario en una casa. Okay, so basically la lavadora is washer. And what we don't have in here is the secadora, which is the dryer. Oh, excuse me, that's my cat. Winnie. Este es mi gato. Okay, la nevera, so you guys had a different word. Like in English, depending on where you go in the English-speaking world, we have different words for different things. Even in the US, we have different words for different things. Like some people call a vacuum a sweeper. This is called a nevera. It means like a snow maker. It makes things cold. And as you saw last week, there's another word that looks more like refrigerator that we can use as well. Ocupa un lugar privilegiado en una casa. Con el frío que produce nos ayuda a conservar la carne, pescado, leche, huevos, frutas, verduras y todos los demás alimentos. So we use saying that we use the nevera in order to preserve and conserve all of our foods, meat, milk, eggs, fish, and all the other foods that you put in a refrigerator. Sin el frigorífico, there's the other word, muchos alimentos se estropearían. Yeah, they would go bad. They would go bad without the refrigerator. La vajilla, la cristalera, los cubiertos, las ollas, las cacerolas y las sartenes se guardan en los armarios de cocina. So, all of these different pots and pans and dishes, plates, etc., they all go in the armario de cocina. Armarios de cocina, which is kitchen cabinets. Están colgados de las paredes para dar mayor amplitud a la misma. So they're hung on the wall, paredes, walls, to save space. Los armarios también sirven para guardar los alimentos que no se estropean tan fácilmente como legumbres, harinas, azúcar, etc. So, cabinets also keep the food that is non-perishable, meaning the foods that you keep in a cabinet, well, that's what it's talking about. Flour, sugar, cereal, things like that. All right, so I'm going to stop there. We have gone over the entry to the house, la entrada, and then also the kitchen or la cocina, en que estamos ahora, in which we were at right now, or you are with me. So I'm going to have some questions for you to answer about what we read and about what I talked about in this video, just to make sure that you were here and you paid attention. For my fourth graders, son las 9:20. Son las 9:20. So for fourth grade, I want you to write down and send to me as part of your questions for homework what time I said it was. Son las 9:20 por la noche. Por la noche. No en la mañana. Son las 9:20 por la noche. And for my 5th graders, you all are going to tell me what I said the weather was like today. Okay? Remember, I said hoy es jueves, el 16 de abril, y, well, right now, it's night. But earlier, when I was recording, I said hace buen tiempo, hace fresco, at least in my opinion it is, y también hace sol. Está despejado. That's another word I could use to describe the weather today. So tell me what I said the weather was like, and I will include a couple more questions in there that have to do with los muebles de la casa. All right? One of those is this. In Spanish, tell me what I am showing you in this video. ¿Qué tipo de mueble es? What type of furniture am I showing you? Sí, es la mesa. I'm giving you the answer. This is to make sure you watch the video, okay? I hope you all have a great night, and I will see you all soon, hopefully. Hasta luego. Buenas noches.